Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. So today I'm heading to the University of the West Indies, Mona campus. Just want to give you a look as to what it looks like as a past student of the university. I left the university quite a few years ago, more than 10 years ago. Don't want to disclose my age now, but I'm sure it has changed a lot over the past couple of years. So I thought I'd, drive by and give you a view of it, of the changes, or some of the changes. As you know, it's quite large. The university campus is quite large. So this is the Mona campus here in Kingston, Jamaica. So I'm just going to give you a preview of it. So just sit tight and enjoy the ride. Yes, sir. What's going on?
Afternoon. Student or staff?
None of the above.
Where are you heading, please?
Where am I heading to? Registry.
Okay.
Deal with my brother.
Were you aware that one student and staff is allowed to use this gate?
No, that's a new thing.
Well, that's a rule from the beginning, but they cut out and then started from June the 1st.
Okay.
However, I'm going to give you a plan because you're going up there to the registry.
Right.
So you're coming on the compound without an ID or a sticker or a car glass.
Well,
You have to use the post office gate.
I understand. Thank you. So apparently only students and staff are allowed to use this main entrance. Others are forced, encouraged, required. Don't know which one of those words you want to use the other entrance, whether it's by the post office or the back gate. library. Coming up to the Taylor Hall on the left. That's the main library right there. And right across the road from the main library, Little Caesar, KFC. So people, look what I found here. And this used to be the spot at the former line to use these. I'm sure you all know who this is. Gandhi. Here at the Humanities Faculty of Humanities. Somewhat of a controversial figure in recent times, but we won't touch that one today. That's a different can of worms. And look how much it has changed. This is the Faculty of the Humanities. Faculty of Humanities. It has changed so much. Famous big tree. And here we have a monument to my national hero, Marcus Garvey. Here by the registry. We have the undergraph. Welcome to the University of the West Indies. We're here by the Social Sciences faculty. This piece is by Edna Manley. And this piece is called The Family by Christopher Gonzalez. As you can see, each family member is looking in a different direction. I don't know what they're thinking, but different perspective. So right across the Social Sciences department is the Faculty of Law. I believe they have a new building, as I do not remember this building. I believe it is a new building. There it is. Look at this piece. What are you seeing? What do you see in this one? You can comment in the comment section and let me know what do you see in this piece. It's a UWI chapel. It's gorgeous, really. when I was here, this wasn't here. The Confucius Center, I believe it is. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking with me as I tour the University of the West Indies Mona campus, or just UWI. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave us a like, comment and share. Please comment, let me know what you think about the university. How has it changed if you have been a student here? Did you recognize anything from today's video? Does it bring back any special meaning, any special memories? Please comment, let me know in the comment section. Other than that, take care, big up yourself, and thank you again for watching.